Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send TRX from Kraken to Uphold in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know TRX is the native token of the Tron blockchain, and moving it between exchanges like Kraken and Uphold is a common task for managing your portfolio. Don't worry if you're new to this, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do it confidently and quickly. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Uphold. You'll need to verify your identity on both platforms for security reasons. It's a quick step that protects your funds. Once that's done, log into your Kraken account. Head over to the Wallets or Funding section, where you can see all your cryptocurrencies. Find TRX in your list. Click on it to access your TRX balance. Next, you need the receiving address from Uphold. Open your Uphold account, go to your TRX wallet, and copy the wallet address. This is crucial. Double-check that it's the correct address to avoid any mishaps. Back on Kraken, select the Withdraw option for TRX. You'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to send. Remember, exchanges often have minimum withdrawal limits and fees, so check those details first to avoid surprises. Now, paste the Uphold wallet address into the withdrawal form on Kraken. Add any required network details, like specifying the Tron network, since TRX transactions use that blockchain. Review everything carefully, the amount, the address, and the fees. Once you're sure, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to approve the transaction with two-factor authentication for extra security. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on your Kraken dashboard for confirmation. Transactions usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop over to Uphold and check your TRX balance. It should show up shortly. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your TRX. A quick word of caution. Always be careful with crypto transfers, as they're irreversible. If you're unsure, test with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let me know in the comments if you have questions. See you next time.